Squamish, SKWM, is a Coast Salish language spoken by the Squamish people of southwestern British Columbia, Canada, centered on the reserve communities in Squamish, North Vancouver, and West Vancouver. An archaic historical rendering of the native Skwx ʻskwɔːmɪʃ Sko-ko-mish, but this should not be confused with the name of the Skokomish people of Washington State. Squamish is most closely related to the Sechelt, Halkomelem, and Nooksack languages, because the character glyph is not found on typewriters and did not exist in most fonts until the widespread adoption of Unicode. The Squamish orthography still conventionally represents the glottal stop with the number symbol 7, of course. The same character glyph is also used as a digit to represent the number 7. Documentation. Anthropologists and linguists who have worked on the Squamish language go back to the 1880s. The first collection of words was collected by German anthropologist Franz Boas. During the following decade, anthropologist Charles Hiltout collected some Squamish words, sentences and stories. In the 1930s, anthropologist Homer Barnett worked with Jimmy Frank to collect information about traditional Squamish culture, including some Squamish words. In the 1950s, Dutch linguist Archaic worked on the first comprehensive grammar of the Squamish language, later published as the Squamish language. In 1968, the British Columbia Language Project undertook more documentation of the Squamish language and culture. Randy Bouchard and Dorothy Kennedy, the main collaborators on this project, devised the writing system presently used for Squamish use and language revitalization efforts. In 1990, the Chief and Council of the Squamish people declared Squamish to be the official language of the Squamish people, a declaration made to ensure funding for the language and its revitalization. As of 2010, the First Peoples Heritage Language and Culture Council considers the language to be critically endangered and nearly extinct, with just 10 fluent speakers. As of 2011, the language is being taught using the Yorkies technique. A Squamish English dictionary was completed in 2011. A Squamish Festival was scheduled for April 22, 2013, with 2 fluent elders. The festival is part of a multifaceted effort to ensure the language's long-term survival, not only by teaching it in the schools, but by encouraging parents to speak it at home. Event co-organizer Rebecca Campbell said, Squamish Nation cultural workers, for example, have begun to provide both parents and children with a list of common Squamish phrases that can be used around the home, as a way to reinforce the learning that takes place in the Sečelt School District schools, Campbell said. So far 15 families in the Squamish area are part of the program. The goal is to revive the language by trying to have it used every day at home, getting the parents on board, not just the children. As of 2014, a Squamish language program is available at Capilano University. Phonology. The consonant phonemes of Squamish, first in IPA and then in the Squamish orthography. There are also 4 vowel phonemes, A, I, U, and E. Bibliography. Dyke, Ruth Ann. Prosodic and Morphological Factors in Squamish Stress Assignment. Dissertation for University of Victoria. Retrieved online on August 14, 2007.